Yakutsk, nestled deep in Siberia, holds the title of the coldest major city on Earth. This remote city is a place where winter's grip is unrelenting, and the cold is a constant companion. Temperatures here regularly plummet to -40 degrees Celsius, a level of cold that most people can hardly imagine. Sometimes the mercury drops even further, plunging to a bone-chilling -64 degrees. It's a cold so intense that it can be life-threatening. The air itself seems to crackle with the cold, creating an almost surreal atmosphere. Breathing becomes a visible act, each exhale a small cloud of condensation that hangs in the air. Metal sticks to bare skin, and exposed flesh can freeze in minutes, making even simple tasks potentially dangerous. This is the unforgiving environment that the people of Yakutsk call home. Despite the harsh conditions, they have adapted in remarkable ways. Life in Yakutsk is a testament to human resilience. The residents have developed unique strategies to cope with the extreme cold. People adapt to the extreme cold, finding ways to thrive despite the challenges it presents. They have learned to live in harmony with the harsh climate. They bundle up in layers upon layers of clothing, their face is often the only visible feature, peeking out from beneath thick scarves and hats. Cars are left running for hours, sometimes even overnight, to prevent the engines from freezing. It's a necessary precaution in such extreme conditions. The markets bustle with vendors selling frozen fish, reindeer meat and other local delicacies. These markets are a vital part of the community's daily life. This is a city that refuses to be subdued by the cold. The spirit of Yakutsk is one of endurance and determination, thriving in the face of adversity. In the heart of Yakutsk lives the Pavlov family, a shining example of warmth and love in this frozen landscape. Alexander, the father, and his wife are the proud parents of 22 children, 18 of whom are adopted. Their home, a cozy haven amidst the biting cold, is always filled with laughter, chatter, and the comforting aroma of home-cooked meals.
The children, ranging in age from toddlers to young adults, bring life and energy to the household.
Despite the challenges of raising such a large family in such an extreme environment, Alexander and his wife approach each day with unwavering dedication and love. Their home is a testament to the power of family and the unbreakable bonds that unite them. Each morning before the sun even hints at rising above the horizon, Alexander embarks on a crucial task, collecting ice for the family's daily needs. This ritual is not just a chore but a lifeline, ensuring that his family has access to water throughout the harsh winter days. With temperatures often dropping below -50 degrees Celsius, the city's water pipes freeze solid, making running water a luxury. In such extreme conditions, the very act of obtaining water becomes a daily battle against nature's relentless grip. Instead, residents rely on the frozen Lena River as their primary source of water. The river, a lifeline for the community, provides the essential resource that modern infrastructure fails to deliver in these extreme conditions.
I carefully make my way to the riverbank, my breath forming icy plumes in the frigid air. Each step is deliberate, as the ice beneath my feet can be treacherous. I use an axe to chip away at the thick layer of ice, the sound echoing across the frozen expanse. The task is laborious, but each swing brings me closer to the precious water trapped below.
The ice, remarkably clear and pure, is a testament to the river's frozen state. Its clarity is almost mesmerizing, a stark contrast to the harsh environment surrounding it. The vast frozen expanse of the river stretches out, a silent witness to the community's daily struggle for survival. Once he has collected enough, he loads the heavy chunks onto a sled and hauls them back home, providing a vital resource for his family's survival. This ice, painstakingly gathered, is more than just frozen water. It is a symbol of resilience and the enduring spirit of the people who call this frozen land home.
Education is highly valued in our household.
Despite the challenges posed by the extreme cold, the Pavlov children attend school regularly, their thirst for knowledge undeterred by the freezing temperatures.
However, getting to school is an adventure in itself.
Bundled up in layers of clothing, our eyelashes often freeze together, making blinking a challenge.
School days are often shortened or cancelled altogether when temperatures plummet too low, even for Yakutsk's standards.
On such days we stay home, keeping warm and engaging in indoor activities.
We study, play games, and help with household chores, our laughter and chatter filling the air with warmth.
The heart of the Pavlov home is undoubtedly the kitchen, a warm and inviting space where the family gathers for meals, sharing stories and creating memories.
The aroma of hearty stews, Freshly baked bread and strong tea permeates the air, creating a comforting atmosphere. A welcome contrast to the biting cold outside, where the snow blankets the landscape.
Breakfast is a flurry of activity as we prepare for our day, our chatter and laughter filling the air, setting a joyful tone for the day ahead.
One of the family's favorite meals is reindeer stew, a traditional Yakutian dish that warms both body and soul, especially during the long winter months.
The tender reindeer meat, slow-cooked with vegetables and herbs, is a testament to the resourcefulness of the Yakutian people and their ability to thrive in this challenging environment, where every meal is a celebration of survival and togetherness.
As we gather around the table, sharing stories and laughter, the warmth of our love for one another shines brighter than the coldest winter's day, making every moment together truly special.